now for the final stage. The final stage of scope mounting. Right back on the magnification and turn parallax down so we can see that nice and clearly. What a nice crisp image. Okay, I'm just going to stick the level in again, just to make sure. That that's nice and flat again. Yeah, that's lovely. Right, the gun, if you was to have the gun canted, or leaning over to one side if you like, what will happen is when you line the reticle up, you'll get a canted reticle. What happens there is, because the scope is mounted above the, so this is the centre of your scope and that's the centre of your barrel, as you cant it over, your pellet moves. So you cant the scope over like that, what's going to happen to the pellet? It's going to come around here. Now at your zero it won't make a lot of difference, but up range, you know, and down range it is going to make a difference, because where it hasn't, say it's back further, where it hasn't quite met your point of impact line, you know, it's going to twist. Sorry about the finger demonstration there, but I think you probably get the gist of it from that. Right, a handy little tool to have is a plumb line. That is a plumb line, not a crystal, not a gypsy crystal, you know. I'm not going to try and hypnotise you with it, but I think you can say that basically it's a weight that will fall. It's designed, the string comes out in the centre. It's designed so it will fall absolutely 100% straight to, you know, to gravity, which is the line. This line here is what you want to chain your reticle to. So what we do is, I've actually done this in my blue pea at the moment. What I did earlier was I held it up against the aperture of the window there to make sure that that line there has been built into the building properly and is straight. You need to check it, you can't just assume, because some walls are very, very badly built. That one, fortunately, is not. So we can, you know, we can take it from that if we line this scope up with that line on that window, you know, she's going to be pretty good. So what we do, get your head into its natural position. Like I see straight away that the reticle is off. Just twist around. It's looking pretty good there. So once you've done that, you tighten these down very gently. Now when I tighten these, I use the Allen key long ways. Try to keep your gaps even on your mounts at the sides. Now I will give that half a turn, and I'll go to the next one, and I'll give that half a turn, just under actually, so pinching up there, and then I will continue to do the same further down the scope on the other mount. When you've done that up, just check to make sure everything still lines up nicely for you. Like I say, bring the gun up to you without even thinking about the scope. Just put your head in the natural position it falls and then look through the scope. Well, I've got to say, that feels pretty good. Lovely. Okay, right. That is how to mount the scope correctly. Now, I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, you could contact me on neargunforum.net under the name Ghostmaker, or you could leave a comment and contact me that way. I don't know, I'm quite happy for it to be either way. I think I've pretty much covered everything. Zeroing is probably a whole nother video, so I will show you my method for zeroing, which is the next step, on another video. Thanks for tuning in and watching the Air Gun Workshop on the Ghostmaker. Take care, be safe, enjoy the sport, and I'll see you soon.